Hi guys. The other thing I forgot to give you a chance to say hi.
I waved. Yeah. I still waved.
Oh,
I'm like,
perfect. That's perfect. Hi. Hi guys, I'm Madalaine here at Lakeside Table, and today I am excited to introduce you to my stepdaughter, Brianna.
hello.
And we are making chicken tortilla soup today. And the reason why I wanted to really do this with you is because this is your favorite, right?
Yes, it is.
And you've, asked me to do this for your birthday, like for your special birthday dinner?
Yep, it's really good. There's tons of flavor in it, and there's even just a little bit of spiciness to it, which is delicious. It gives a little bit of a kick. And there's also a lot of fresh lime juice, which makes it very refreshing, delicious.
Have you ever made this with me?
I'm trying to think.
I know you've been in the kitchen.
Yeah, I probably helped like a little bit here and there, but I don't think I've ever actually made it with you.
Have you ever made it? You haven't ever made it like on your own?
No,
like,
no.
Okay,
I don't even try to do that because yours is too good.
You're gonna be so surprised how easy it is. And then you're gonna be making it all the time for yourself and, you know.
Well, then
Yeah.
I'm ready for it.
Okay, let's do it.
So you'll start off by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add 2 chopped onions, 2 cloves of garlic sliced, half chipotle in adobo sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and cook until the onions soften, so about 5 minutes. Add 12 cups of chicken broth, bring to a boil, reduce the heat slightly, and simmer, uncovered for about 10 minutes. Add 1 cup of corn kernels and cook for 5 minutes more. Pull the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken, half a cup of cilantro, and 1/4 cup of lime juice. Divide 4 corn tortillas among the 4 warmed bowls, ladle the soup on top, and served with lime wedges if desired. We usually top the soup with cheese and sour cream too. It's optional, but very delicious.
I remember when I made this, I don't know, I guess it was years ago, and it was so hot. Remember that? I put too much chipotle in, and
About burned our mouths off.
big time, big time. We had to keep putting in chicken broth and more chicken broth and
Jugs of milk, just guzzling it down.
yogurt, and
Ice
we were
cream,
eating
yes.
ice cream. Anything with milk like takes the burn out. So
Yes.
if you make this too hot, just dilute it, and if you burn your mouth, just eat yogurt.
Have milk ready.
All right, well, let's try it. Tell me what you think. Get a little lime in there. How do you think? Are good?
It's delicious.
Think you can make this at home?
Oh, for sure, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah, not too hot either.
No, it's very good.
A little bit of heat, but not crazy spicy, and just great flavor.
Definitely my favorite.
Thanks for watching, guys, and hanging out with us here at Lakeside Table. And until next week, go have fun in your kitchen. Oh, and if you want the printable version of this recipe, head over to my blog, lakesidetable.com. You can print it out over there. And until next week, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.